Really good, man. That just says holidays.
Yeah, it does.
It really does, man.
Sweet potato mash with a vanilla almond granola crust, and we're going to bake that right on the grill, and it's going to be fantastic.
Sounds good.
We'll start out with some sweet potatoes that I boiled. And we're going to start to buzz them up here, and I'm going to ask you to get me a little milk in there, a little cream. All right, that'll be good for now.
You want the butter?
Yeah, throw a whole stick of butter right in there. There you go. And what we do is we soften the butter so it's easier to blend in with the mixer. Take brown sugar, pop that in there. Perfect. And then give me some alpha rub, maybe about two tablespoons. 1, 2, perfect. So it's like buttery, it's a little bit of sweet to it.
Yep.
And
savory. Got a
savory.
little sweetness to it. It's good.
So we're going to put that in a pan, and we're going to top it with this nice vanilla almond granola, and we're going to bake it at about 300 degrees. Look at this.
That looks great. I love the almonds. It's awesome.
You smell the vanilla notes?
Oh, yeah.
All right, so let's get a scoop of this. There you go.
That looks great.
All right, Mo. Let's give this sweet potato mash a try.
Cool. Looks like it's cooled down enough. Let's see.
I think so. That's good. It's buttery. There's a little sweetness from the brown sugar.
There it is. No.
Nice and creamy.
I love the little sweetness from the brown sugar and the seasoning from your rub, the creaminess of the sweet potato.
Some vanilla.
And then the texture with the granola.
Yeah.
It's really good.
Thanks.
Really good, man. That just says holidays.
Yeah, it does.
It really does, man.
Good job on the ribs.
Thank you, brother. Good job.